All right, guys. Today we're gonna make some ceviche because yesterday Kira wanted to try sushi and she actually liked it. So while she's got that whole open mind about fish going on, I'm gonna hit her with ceviche because I really love it and I hate when I make it and I have to eat it all myself because I tend to make more than I need. Now, the internet will tell you various opinions about whether or not you can use freshwater fish for ceviche. The reality is, freshwater fish carry more parasites than saltwater fish typically, but you can absolutely use it for ceviche. When I use freshwater fish, I tend to use more citrus and maybe let it sit a little longer. But I can tell you right now, I've made ceviche with a lot of freshwater fish and I lose no sleep over it. Today we're using cod. It was fresh caught, not by me, but I make this with bluegill, catfish, walleye. I mean, panfish is my favorite because you can catch a bunch of them pretty quick and you can make it right there on the side of the lake. So the ceviche we're going to make today, we're going to use peppers, a jalapeno, some red onion, and then for citrus we're using orange, lime, and lemon. We got some small tomatoes and some avocado to go in with the cod. So I'm going to cut the veggies up first and toss them in my super pretty bowl over here. Don't be nitpicking me about how I like to cut up my vegetables. I'm weird, I know. I'm good with it. Never cut them this way. I suppose it doesn't make any damn difference. If you're like my daughter and you're not too into spicy stuff, not that I'm heavy into it, might not want to use the whole jalapeno, but I strongly suggest that you leave the jalapeno in the recipe because ceviche without a jalapeno is just wrong. It's not the same. Now, don't judge me for how I do avocado. I've got the tool around here somewhere. I've never found a way to use that damn tool without making a real mess out of things, so I'm just going to kind of do this the way I've found to do it. Kira says she doesn't like avocado, but anytime I feed her stuff with avocado in it, she never says, ew, there's avocado in it. So I don't think she actually knows. That was almost my finger, which is funny. That's how I got the cut on my finger in the first place. Now, I was originally going to make the ceviche with lobster because I have some. But then I decided, since Kira liked the crab so much in the sushi, to just cook the lobster and let her try that straight up. It's one of my favorite things. Now, you don't want your chunks of fish too small, but you don't want them crazy big either. I say 1.5 inch chunks. I don't know what size these actually are, but that's about what I'd say they are. It cooks it, quote unquote, actually kind of makes it look like chicken breast. That's what we're looking at so far. Look at that. That's good stuff. Little piece escaped. I really only use salt and pepper for the most part, but I'm going to toss in just a little bit of Old Bay because I'm feeling like that today. You know what? Let's do all the squeezing at once. not be entirely ripe yet, but that's okay. Yeah, they're a little tough. I thought they were ripe when I checked them at the store. I don't know about your area, but here in the Midwest, limes are getting kind of hard to come by at the moment. Kind of got to go with what you can find. Oh, I love that smell. Big juicy lemon is the way to go. When it comes to the oranges, I like to get a little bit of the flesh in there. Not a lot. You don't want it to be overpowering. But a little bit. Mostly it's your lemon and your lime that's cooking it. Quote unquote cooking it. Give me that back. I'm not using all the limes, I can tell you that right now. Too much lime will make it bitter real fast. Seeing a theme here? Get everything good and mixed up. I like to make a version of ceviche with mango, kiwi, cilantro, red onion, jalapeno. What was the other thing that I put in there that was really good? Can't remember what the other thing I put in there was. Oh, it was avocado. Alright, show you what I'm working with here. There it is. Now, you could technically eat this right now. I like to put it in the fridge for about 4 hours and then eat it, which is why I'm making it now, because when Kira gets home and it's dinner time, it'll be pretty much right about 4 hours. So I'm going to cover it with some saran wrap and stick it in the fridge. Thanks for watching.